So hi guys, I am Joycen Olayer. These are the steps on how to create a DIY tower of Hanoi. So step 1, you must cut a construction paper into rectangular form, fold each side corner. Okay. Until such time that we can form a box. Then step 2. Cut some edges of the folded paper, then paste or glue each folded edge in order to form a box. We must do maybe 2 or up boxes. Cut this out. Cut paper that was being cut its side edges. Here. Or glue it. Oh wait, we have to create a small hole at the center of this box. Ta-da! Here is our box. Now for the step 3, let's proceed on creating the stand of to create a tower. Now I prepared a barbecue stick, a carton, this one, create a hole on the hole that we created on the carton. You can use stick glue or glue to make your tower stronger. After making boxes, here is our finished product. Ta-da! DIY Tower of Hanoi. It is also called as the Tower of Brahma or the Lucas Tower. It is invented by the French mathematician Edouard Lucas in the 19th century. It is associated with the legend of the Hindu temple where the puzzle was supposedly used to increase the mental discipline of young priests. As of now, this instrument was effectively used on algorithms. Are the key concepts: mathematics, patterns, algorithms, and puzzles. So Tower of Hanoi is a mathematical game or puzzle. It consists of 3 rods and the number of these in different sizes, which can be slide onto any rod. The puzzle starts with the disc in a neat stack in ascending order, or the size on the one rod, the smallest at the top, thus making a conical shape. So this stock or this stick standing was called the rod, but some people used to call this as peg. So the objectives of the Tower of Hanoi to move the entire stock to another rod, obeying the following rules. Only one disc can be moved at a time. Second, each move consists of taking the upper disc from one of the rod and sliding it onto another rod on the top of each disc that may already be present on the rod. Remember, no disc can be placed on the top of a smaller rod or smaller disc than itself. So now I will share to you the strategy on how to effectively transfer this disc into the third rod. Now first, the first disc must be on the third rod. Then second move, the second disc must be placed on the second rod. And then the third move, the smallest disc must be put on the top of the second larger disc. And then the fifth, the largest disc must be placed on the third rad. And then the fifth move, the smallest disc must be placed on the first rad again. And then at the sixth move, the second largest disc must be placed on the third rad. And then lastly, we can easily put the smallest disc up to the third rad. And then we finally obtain or achieve our goal, that is the transferring of stock from first rad to the third rad. Now, how algorithm is used in this instrument? So, let me introduce what is algorithm. So, it's a set of instructions designed to perform a specific task. This can be simple process such as multiplying two numbers, or complex operations such as playing a compressed video file. In computer programming, algorithms are often created as functions. So, this instrument is typically useful when we are having a computer programming. N minus 1, where n is the number of disks. So, remember that in playing the Tower of Hanoi, 3 is the minimal steps on transferring this to another rad by using 2 discs, and on how to win this game without any error. So if we have add this, your first move must be on the third rad. Even you should put your smallest disc or the first disc into the second rad. I hope that you learned something from this video, and please do enjoy playing Tower of Hanoi.